Hello there, YouTube. It's Samuel from larsenconsulting.fi here again. Now, I wanted to share with you a quick tip that is very good for the cart page and will let your visitors know if they are getting free shipping. So, on your cart page, this is typically where people start thinking about how much the shipping would be. And if you don't display this kind of thing on your cart page, you are actually missing those customers that would get a free shipping, but they have doubts about that, and they're not fully understanding it. So that's why we want to feature this kind of thing on our cart page if they are getting free shipping. Now, this particular example also shows if they aren't getting free shipping, which might be a little bit of a tricky thing because you're basically telling them that they have to pay upfront. However, it is also honest and it will make sure that there is no surprises on the later phases. However, let me update this and let's see what happens here. So I'm going to update the amount here and we'll see that the text changes. So now we are showing that we actually qualify for this free standard shipping if we do live in the United States. And I'm going to show you how it looks on the back end and how you can actually make this exact same customization rather easily. So what you will need to do is log into your back end and go to online store and themes. And you would just pick the theme that you're working on, or usually it's your live theme. So you would click on here, but this theme is not yet live. So I'm just going to click edit HTML CSS over here. Okay. So here we are on our back end. Now, if you're a first timer, it's going to look a little bit scary. And I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing this on your live theme. You can make a duplicate theme and test this out. But that's a whole different tutorial. For now, let's just assume you know the basics and continue. So what we want to find is the cart.liquid. It's in the template file. It's in every theme. So this is basically the page that renders on every cart that you have. So over here, we have a lot of text. But what we really want to find is the spot where we want to add our snippet. So here we have a little bit of a progress bar. So what we want to do is have this it's just under that. So this is our spot. This is where we want to add our thingy here. So I'm going to use so-called liquid logic. Okay, so let's take it really slowly. And here on the row 37, it says if cart total price is more than, this is the more than mark, 5,000. So why is it 5,000 when it's $50? Well, it's in cents. And this is your store's default currency. So in your store's default currency, it's under 5,000. Okay, so what I did here basically is used liquid logic. Okay, and here is a kind of a quick cheat sheet you can use to find out everything you can use with liquid. So you can just Google Shopify cheat sheet and this will come up. And as you Google it, it's cheat.markdonnelly.com. All right, so here we are. And right here, we can see liquid logic. And this is the one I'm using. So if statements let you determine if something is true or not. Okay, so what this means that if cart total price is more than 5,000, so that means it's true that the cart total is more than 5,000. Okay, so you can see a similar example. If user.name equals Elvis, then display the text hi Elvis and end if. Okay, now basically what we combined here is if statement with the cart total price. Okay, so we can see that there's another liquid filter here on the cart section that has the cart total price. So this statement here returns the total of all the prices added in your shopping cart. And that's exactly what we want when we are offering free shipping for orders over $50, for example. Okay, so basically, if this is true, if it's over 5,000 cents, then we are going to use this divider and have our code here. So basically, we are going to have this icon appear. Now you don't need the icon necessarily. We just made it here because it looks kind of better. So this is just the Shopify's backend. We have this free shipping icon. But what you really need is this text. Okay, so a couple of spanners and text ship. You qualify for free standard shipping to contiguous United States. And then we're going to end it. Okay, so it displays this text basically on the allotted space. Then one divider, and here comes the other part. So if this cart total price is under 5,000, we are going to show a different text. And as you can see, it's the same thing here. You can just copy it word for word. We are going to use the same image, same span, same class, just a different text. Okay, so here we're going to tell that if they do order over $50, they're going to get free shipping. And we're going to end it the same way. And notice here it's also end if. So this ends the statement. This is the whole statement from 37 to 45. And then we're going to go to our cart items. So this is basically what you want to find, this class cart items spot, and have your if statement above it. Okay, so that's the super simple way that you can use if then statements and have this cart total affect how your page actually shows up in your cart space. Okay, and now if I'm a customer, I know I'm going to get the free standard shipping, and I'm really happy to go ahead and proceed to checkout. All right, thanks for watching, and hope this was helpful. If you do implement this, I'm sure your conversion rate will like boost that ever so little that it can. Now in Grow, it's always a combination of things. So this will not have a big effect on your store, on your conversion rate, but what you're really looking to do is have a bunch of these small things and kind of like each forward as much as you can. So one of the things that you can do, and go ahead, please do this on your store, very good thing. And if you like this video, make sure to like it on YouTube. And if you do have any questions, any comments, you want to say thank you, I appreciate it. Just comment down below. I read every one of them and also reply personally. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe for tomorrow's video. Thanks.